Hey guys, welcome back, and for this video I'm going to show you how to make an alt account in Discord. So first is you'd want to go to your browser here and click on new incognito window. So it depends on your browser, but just go open a incognito window and search for Discord again. Once you're there, click on the first link and click on open Discord in your browser. And for display name, it could be anything like alt Chevy, so something like that. But once you're done, just go here and verify. For that, click on, just go through the verifications here. But once you're here, provide your birthday, or this could be anything. So sometimes you'll be prompted with this and you need to verify it by your email. I've already done mine, so that's why it popped up like this. But if you haven't done it, just go and make an alt account and go through that birth date. And once you're done, you're all good, and you could use multiple accounts at once. And that's it, guys. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe because it helps reach more people. See you on the next one.